Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And guess what guys, today I have a extra special unboxing. And this is of course, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And this is the version I went with. And this is the international version. I'll place the model number on screen so you can actually see for yourself the exact model number. You can purchase these on eBay. Alright, so of course the seller was nice enough to include some extra bonuses in the package. Alright, so you do get, of course, 2x memory, and of course that is a free SD card along with other cool features such as a case. Now, of course, this only happens with the international version, and of course it's a brand new unopened device. So we're just going to go ahead and go straight into the unboxing. Alright guys, so we're back, and of course, as you can see, this is the external box. We're going to look at the box. On the front, you only see S10 Plus, which is the S10 Plus, which is the 6.4 inch version of the latest Samsung flagship. Right, and of course, this is unopened, so I'm just going to open it up right now. And of course, you can see the box itself. It comes in this nice color, and the color is a nice plain black. And of course it's a deep black. You can see the sides here. There's nothing on the sides. Down here at the side you can notice some serial information. I'm not going to show that on screen. And of course on this side there's the seal. And I'm just going to flip this over. And as you can see here, this is the back of the device. I'm going to keep some of this hidden. And you can see the various information on the device. Alright. And as I said, this is the international version. Alright guys, first of all you see the Samsung Galaxy S10 here in all of its glory, and I'm just going to take this out for a second and just place it aside. And here you go. And of course this is the micro SD card that was included, and of course this was by the seller. And let's just focus on this right here. As you can see, it's a 128 gigabyte class 13s, class 3, that is. A 128 class 3 micro SD. And of course, I'm not sure about the quality of this, but later on in our testing I'll be able to attest to if this is actually a good value. Alright, but so far it's great that they included this little extra in the box. Here we have the other stuff right here. Alright, so you can see the adapter brick, and of course this is a fast charger, and you can check it out right here. It does show that it is equipped with fast charging, white. Over here you do get this dongle, which is the adapter that will convert your regular micro USB to USB type C, which is quite handy. Can be used in several situations, so your old adapter should work. So I'm going to place this back here. You'll notice the Galaxy Buds, and these ones come in white. My older editions came in black from the Samsung Galaxy S8. So this is my older units. They are from AKG, and of course these are the white editions. Next here we have the white cable, which is the USB cable that should be used along with the adapter brick. And of course these are nice touches. I like the colors. And next, if you carefully look over here in the top of the box, there's actually an extra. And that extra is a case, and it should be a clear case. So we do get a micro SD card 128 along with this very cool case, which is a extra and a welcome addition. And as you can see here, this is the case that comes with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Comes in plain or crystal white. We'll put this aside as well. And here we have the star of the show, guys, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. And as you can see here, this is the green or Prism Green, which is a nice color. It kind of looks blue in certain light, but of course the weight is quite relatively light. It's not overly light, but of course we'll do more of this in the full review. Alright, so as you can see, the front of the device as well, you can check out the dual cameras right there, and of course this is the base of the device. You can check out the inputs as well, but as I said guys, we're going to do the full review coming up. On the channel later on. And of course, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Let's hear your comments guys below as to what you think about this cool device in the form of the Samsung Galaxy S10.